Hi, Leo. How are you?
Hi, Nyra. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you.
So tell me, what did you do today?
Today was a normal day for me. I woke up, I made coffee, and I worked for a few hours. Nothing special.
That sounds calm.
Yes, it was calm. Oh, and I talked to my sister on the phone. We talked for almost an hour.
Really? What did you talk about?
Just life, family, work, small things. It was nice, actually. I don't call her enough.
I understand. I'm the same with my brother.
What about you? What did you do today?
My day was a little busy. I had 3 meetings in the morning. 3. It was a lot.
Wow, 3 meetings. That sounds tiring.
Yes, very tiring. But after that, my afternoon was quiet. I went for a walk in the park. The weather was really nice today.
Oh, I saw that too. The sun was shining this morning.
Exactly. It was a good day for a walk. And in the evening, I cooked dinner. I made pasta.
Nice. I love pasta.
Me too. It's easy and it's always good.
True. Okay, so tell me, what do you like to do in the evenings? In general, I mean, not just today.
Good question. I like to watch a show, or sometimes I call my family. It depends on my mood.
I understand that. What about a favorite show right now?
Right now, I'm watching a comedy show. It's very funny. It helps me relax after a long day.
That sounds perfect for the evening.
What about you? What do you like to do in the evenings?
I like to read a book, or sometimes I just sit and drink tea. Simple things. I don't need a lot to feel relaxed.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is. Okay, now let me ask you something else. What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow? I don't know yet. What about you? What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will clean my home. My home is a little messy right now.
A big cleaning day.
Yes, and after that, I will go to the market.
Why? What happened?
There is nothing in my fridge. Nothing. I need food.
Ah, I understand. So, what will you buy at the market?
Okay, let me think. First, I will buy some milk.
Okay, milk.
Then, I will buy eggs. I love eggs in the morning.
Good choice.
And I will buy bread. Fresh bread.
I love fresh bread too.
Also, I will buy some apples. Red apples, my favorite.
Nice.
And cheese. I always need cheese at home.
Of course. Cheese is important.
And finally, I will buy some tomatoes. For a fresh salad.
That's a good list. Simple and healthy.
Yes, exactly. So now you know my plan for tomorrow. What about you? What will you do tomorrow?
Me? Tomorrow, I will go to the cinema.
Oh, nice. What will you watch?
I don't know yet. Maybe a new movie. I will decide tomorrow.
Sounds fun. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. And good luck with your cleaning and shopping.
Thank you. Okay, everyone. That's it for today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.